Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe, nickname Blue, but I go by both. So whatever you want to call me is fine. And I talk about spiritual subjects such as numerology, astrology, and maybe even crystals, yoga, and meditation in the future. So let's get started. The Aries Archetype. Aries is the first sign in the zodiac. It starts the zodiac. Aries embodies new beginnings, initiating action, and fiery energy. Aries is the pioneer of the zodiac, the fearless adventurer who courageously leaps into uncharted, unseen territory. Aries is a cardinal sign. When you hear that in astrology, cardinal is a type of modality. There are 3 modalities: cardinal, mutable, and fixed. Like all cardinal signs, Aries starts the season of spring. Its opposite sign, Libra, is a cardinal sign as well, and it starts the season of fall. Capricorn, also cardinal, starts winter. And the opposite sign of Capricorn, Cancer, starts the summer. If you live in America, I am unfamiliar with the seasons of other countries because I have not been to any other countries yet, unfortunately. The modality cardinal is about initiating action. The Aries archetype possesses a strong drive to take the lead, to start new projects or ventures. They are action-oriented, and they tend to possess a sense of necessity when it comes to pursuing people or things such as dreams or work. With Aries, there is a necessity to make things happen. Aries is ruled by the planet Mars, the god of war. Mars represents energy, passion, anger, aggression, our work ethic, and our sexual nature, symbolizing how you assert yourself. Mars in your chart can show you how you go after what it is that you are passionate about, what it is that you want. How do you aim to achieve that? Mars symbolizes our courage, and I guess you could say the driving force behind every action that we take. Mars, being Aries' planetary ruler, it infuses Aries people with liveliness and vitality, plenty of energy, giving them a competitive nature, a desire for challenge, and the ability to overcome obstacles. It also brings forth passion, determination, and a strong need to exert oneself. Aries, like Mars, is associated with masculine or yang energy, representing assertiveness, independence, and directness. Also, courage, competitiveness, and a desire for adventure. Aries individuals, people with Aries in their top 5 planets, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, are often described as bold, confident, and willing to take risks. Aries individuals manifest as pioneering energy who have a strong need for autonomy and individuality. Aries is the embodiment of passion, drive, and vitality. They're the ones who dive headfirst into life, headfirst into anything, embracing challenges with relentless determination. Aries, like cardinal energy, illuminates the path for others to follow, showing others the way to their own courage and inner strength, their inner warrior. Because that's ultimately what Aries is, a warrior, a fighter, the fighting spirit. They boldly initiate action when others hesitate. When you're in the presence of an Aries, you can feel their enthusiasm. It is just so contagious, which is seen through the element of fire associated with Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo. Those are the 3 fire signs. Aries encourage others to step out of their comfort zone and to pursue their passions. Their optimism and relentless spirit inspire people to believe in themselves. Aries remind us that each moment is an opportunity for a fresh start, encouraging us to embrace our inner fire, our inner flame, and to pursue our passions. Aries being the first sign in the zodiac, they're out there individuals, meaning they're not closed off to the world. It's kind of like they're newer souls. Like the energy of Aries is kind of like newer souls. Like, I just got on this planet, I know nothing, and I'm ready to take it all on. It's just so great, it's so amazing, and it's so awesome, and I'm just ready to explore and adventure and discover, and it just excites me so much, and I am just so happy to be here. In relationships, Aries exude magnetism. They're usually fiercely loyal and protective of their loved ones, protecting and standing up for them with bravery and intense passion. Like, you can't talk crap about their family or their friends or anyone they love in front of them without them coming at you or taking up for them in some sort of way. Oftentimes, Aries individuals feel like love is a challenge. They view life as a challenge, kind of. They're very competitive. They view love as this daring adventure. And they fiercely and fearlessly embrace that thrill. Aries individuals inspire others to embrace their authenticity, their uniqueness, their self-expression, because Aries embodies the true essence of self-expression and individuality. It is the I am. It is the ego. Ego is not all bad. Every one of us has an ego. It can be a problem if you over-identify with everything, or when you need other people to validate your own ego. Aries individuals urge people to assert their needs and their desires. They honor the uniqueness in other people. They remind us that it's okay to be bold and to take risks and to assert our needs and our desires fearlessly and without hesitation. Ultimately, Aries teach us to be unapologetically ourselves and to embrace the journey of self-discovery and growth. In the realm of dreams and aspirations, Aries sparks the fire of ambition within us all. They remind us that our dreams are within reach if we can only call upon the courage to pursue them. With their infectious, passionate, and determined nature, they inspire us to chase after our goals, no matter how bold, how big, how out there they are, or they may seem. Aries is here to remind you that it is okay to be selfish sometimes. It's okay to honor the self and to honor our own needs. Aries inspire others to embrace our warrior within us, fearlessly carve our own paths, and to make a positive difference in the world. There is so much more to Aries than what I've just touched on in this video, but this is ultimately the Aryan archetype without any setbacks or challenges or life lessons. I do have a video titled Aries, life lessons if you would like to learn more. And thank you so much for watching, and thank yourself as well for tapping into self-knowledge, self-awareness, or even just knowledge and awareness on the world and other people. It's always good to learn things. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone else that is Aries or that has Aries in their chart. I hope you have a beautiful day or night or year or years to come. And if you've made it this far in the video, please drop me a red heart in the comment section down below. And I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the subject. Thank you so much again, and